んにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 56 of JLPT N4. Grammar form is 普通形 casual form and after that でしょう、だろう but always intonation is going down でしょう but in adjective and noun we are not gonna use this だ in this case. The meaning is I think it will probably happen or it seems like it happens. So when we say with でしょう、だろう it means there are quite a lot of probability or chance 確率 I'm not saying 100% sure but anyway quite high possibilities because I have 情報 informations or 経験 experiences and 知識 this is knowledge so this is gonna happen based on these knowledges or information when we say でしょう、だろう it's really quite sure. It is often used by experts based on this knowledge. Other important thing is that we don't use this でしょう、だろう to talk about myself. Because to talk about myself, there are other expressions that we already learned, like, for example, すると思います、しようと思います。The difference between でしょう、だろう this is でしょう this is formal way of speaking. だろう this is casual way. But please don't get confused when the intonation is going up like this. でしょう、でしょ、だろう this is different. When we say like this in the question form, でしょう、だろう then this means, don't you think so? Isn't it right? I already made a video about this one in my grammar video 108 of JLPT N5. 108. So, what you're gonna learn today about this one? でしょう、だろう This is completely different from this one. And this means it will happen with the probability. This is used a lot in weather forecast. For example, when they say tomorrow it will snow or northern wind will blow. Usually it's true. So this is a lot of possibility. Well, not 100%, but probably it will snow because this is based on the science. It will rain tomorrow. 明日雨が降るでしょう。明日雨が降るでしょう。It will snow in 札幌。札幌は雪が降るでしょう。札幌は雪が降るでしょう。Strong wind will blow over Tokyo. 東京は強風が吹くでしょう。東京は強風が吹くでしょう。It will be cloudy in 大阪。大阪は曇りでしょう。大阪は曇りでしょう。It will be sunny and warm in 沖縄。沖縄は晴れで暖かいでしょう。沖縄は晴れで暖かいでしょう。There are some adverbs of possibility that we can use with this expression でしょう。This adverb きっと this means a lot of possibilities more than 80%. Nearly sure きっと We usually use this adverb きっと in casual speech, casual way of talking. And きっと also means my strong wish. Oh, I hope so. Oh, I do want this. Maybe, likely, 多分 This adverb is less probability than きっと。きっと is about 90% or 80-90%, but 多分 it can be 60 or 70% of probability. I already made a video about the difference between KITTO and TABUN in my grammar video number 104 of JLPT N5. And I also made more videos with KITTO, TABUN, and other adverbs like this in my grammar video 115 and 119 of JLPT N5. Watching these videos, number 104, 115, and 119, then you'll know a lot about adverbs. One other adverb to explain you, おそらく. This is probably, likely. This is like 多分, but 多分 sounds more casual. And おそらく, this is formal way of speaking. Look at this kanji of おそらく. This comes from this verb, 恐れます. To dread, to fear. Horrendous, dreadful, 恐ろしい adjective. And we use the same kanji. So when we use おそらく to say maybe, then in many occasions, not always, but おそらく it means something bad may happen. So in this case, something bad, something negative, and we use this おそらく, and also this is very formal way. Probably 津波 will come. おそらく津波が来る、津波が来るでしょう。おそらく津波が来るでしょう。It will snow, and most likely, and also I wish so, with my strong wish. きっと雪が降るでしょう。きっと雪が降るでしょう。Probably it will snow, and my feeling is neutral. 多分雪が降るでしょう。多分雪が降るでしょう。It will probably snow using おそらく。In this case, this might be the very formal situation, or also maybe I don't want snow for any reasons. おそらく雪が降るでしょう。おそらく雪が降るでしょう。It will probably be impossible. おそらくダメでしょう。おそらくダメでしょう。Passing the exam seems impossible now. 試験に合格する。試験に合格することは、試験に合格するのは、もう無理でしょう。試験に合格するのはもう無理でしょう。It's already 7 o'clock. My son will be home soon. もう7時です。もう7時です。息子はもうすぐ帰るでしょう。もう7時です。息子はもうすぐ帰るでしょう。Mr. Tanaka will probably not come because he said he was busy. 田中さんは忙しいと言っていました。田中さんは忙しいと言っていましたから、多分来ないでしょう。田中さんは忙しいと言っていましたから、多分来ないでしょう。This new product must sell well because it's yummy and cute. Something sells well. Something が売れる。This is intransitive verb. この新製品はおいしいし、かわいいから売れるでしょう。この新製品はおいしいし、かわいいから売れるでしょう。Mr. Suzuki is strong and he practices a lot. So he'll probably win the competition. 鈴木さんは強いし、たくさん 練習していますから、きっと試合に勝つでしょう。鈴木さんは強いし、たくさん練習していますから、きっと試合に勝つでしょう。As you see in these examples, we can talk about probability based on the information, on knowledge, and these kind of things. Then, でしょう。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese using でしょう。1番目。Mr. Takahashi has been living in the United States for 5 years, so he can probably speak English. 2番目。It's sunny today, so the stars will probably be beautiful tonight. Stars. We say 星、星。3番目、最後です。Mr. Kimura is young, so he's probably single yet. Single, not married. 独身、独身。My advice to learn Japanese grammar very well, then you can make your own sentences using this structure. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. If you subscribe my channel, then you can receive all of my videos each time that I load up. いかがでしたか？今日は、でしょう、だろう、この文法を勉強しました。このようにイントネーションが下に下がる場合、でしょう、だろう、この場合はとても高い確率のある推測の意味です。さまざまな情報とか知識、経験などに基づいた推測だからこそ結構高い確率なんです。100% じゃないけど、でも結構高い確率。それがこのでしょう、この意味です。でもイントネーションがでしょでしょだろうと上に行く場合は意味が違います。その場合は同意を求めるときに使います。それは私の文法のビデオ108番。でも5級の108番の文法のビデオにこれが詳しく説明されています。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語学習のためにとっても役に立つビデオをたくさんアップしています。ですから私のビデオを定期的に見てくださったら皆さんの日本語が絶対に上達しますよ。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったらいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。これからも私も頑張っていくつもりですから、ぜひ応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあね。